The colors of the Eustoma are as rich and varied as those of roses. Common colors include purple, yellow, green, white, and multicolor. It is one of the most popular potted and cut flowers. Each stem can produce 10 to 20 flowers, typically with 5 to 10 flowers per branch. The plant height is 30 to 100 centimeters, and stems longer than 50 centimeters are suitable for fresh-cut flowers. Eustoma is commonly propagated by seeds, which are so small they are almost invisible to the naked eye. There are 25 million seeds per kilogram. Hence, Eustoma seeds are often coated for easier handling. Eustoma seedlings grow very slowly. They can be transplanted to the nursery when they are 12 weeks old. Soil preparation is essential. The soil is sterilized with hot steam for several hours. This kills bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Precision planting is employed. From sowing to flowering takes 120 to 140 days. Cut flower varieties need 150 to 180 days. Eustomas in many different colors are available all year round. It takes an average of 5 years to develop a new variety. Harvesting.